Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here in Stockholm in Sweden, where I have arrived with an overnight express train from Kiruna, which is in the Arctic Circle. My original plan was to fly down from Kiruna to Stockholm, but due to the COVID situation my flight got cancelled. Today we are flying with Eurowings from Stockholm to Hamburg. Hello guys, and welcome from the small island of Djurgården in the middle of Stockholm. Right now it's time to head to the airport to catch my flight over to Hamburg. I hope you join me. My ride is already here for us. While showing you some scenery from the island of Djurgården to the way to Stockholm Central Station, I will just fill you in with some background information. In the last week I was traveling from my hometown Munich in Germany all the way up to Kiruna, which is Sweden's most northern city. And as I'm a train enthusiast, I chose the train to go up there. It has been 3,172 kilometers from Munich to Kiruna. If you haven't watched the latest videos, you can all find them on my channel. Just search for Bavarian Globetrotter, which is me, my name is Michael, and then you just click on videos and you find all the videos I have posted. But now, let's get back to today's video. I'm right now on my way to Stockholm Central Station, where I can catch the Arlanda Express train to the airport. Getting around in Stockholm here is pretty easy when you use those e-scooters that they have all over the place. You don't have to use public transportation, so it's a safe way to travel. Stockholm Central Station is a really old and very beautiful building from the late 18th century. On the inside it looks quite modern, but it has all those old touches to it that makes it so special. There are as well a lot of shops and restaurants, bars and cafes that you can enjoy before the trip starts. Just a short pointer, due to the construction of this building, the walks between the tracks can be far apart. The Arlanda Express airport train operates from platform 1 and 2 and it costs about 30 euros one way. It takes you directly to the airport with no stops in between, and it's a very comfortable ride. Now after I got my ticket right now, the platforms 1 and 2 at Arlanda Express. I have now go back to the main hall to grab my luggage. If I was told that it's so far out here, I would have picked up my luggage before, but she just said across the hall. So right now I have to walk back to the terminal where I arrived this morning from Boden and grab all my stuff and come back to platform 1 and 2 to catch the train to the airport. Now, after we purchased our ticket for the Arlanda Express train, it's now time to get our luggage. So after I picked up my luggage at the other end of the corridor again, we are right now on our way to the Arlanda Express. Which is departing either on track 1 or track 2. The trains that are used on the Arlanda Express, they look very modern and they're very clean as well. So, right now it's time to head to the airport and catch our flight over to Hamburg. Although today's train was pretty empty, the effort of making the journey safe for all the passengers inspired me. Every second row was blocked with these yes or no stickers that you can find on the seats here. A pretty good idea, I think. Now I have 20 minutes to go to the airport, through some beautiful city scenery and as well some countryside later. Sit back, relax and enjoy the ride to the airport with the Arlanda Express.
Welcome aboard Arlanda Express. The journey to Stockholm Arlanda Airport will take 18 minutes, and there we will make 2 stops. The first stop
So I have arrived to Stockholm Arlanda International Airport, and right now I have to go from the train platforms all the way up to Terminal 5, which is the only one open at the moment due to the actual situation. It's a pretty long way from the train platform here at Terminal 5 in Stockholm Arlanda International Airport up to the boarding gates, so be prepared for that, to plan some extra time for it. Boarding itself was very fast today, and as well the security check went pretty smoothly. After my luggage and myself have been screened by the security guards here at Stockholm Airport, it was time to find our lounge. Today I chose the Norsken lounge, which was accessible through to my priority pass, and is right here at Pier A, which was quite handy because my flight as well will depart from the A gates. Due to the whole COVID situation, the selection of food in this lounge was pretty limited, which was understandable, and the offers that they had, they were pretty good. They also have a full service bar here where you can get wine, spirits and beer, and I chose today a local draft beer, which was pretty cool that you hand pour it yourself. The views here from the Norsken lounge over the airfield are pretty impressive. So if you're an athlete like me, that's the place you want to sit and watch some of the planes taking off or being parked. This view here is pretty rare, because in Germany you will not find a turboprop firing up engines anymore at most of the airports. This plane right here serves some regional destinations here in Sweden from Stockholm. After about an hour here in the Norsken lounge, it was my time to witness my plane for today arriving at the gate A5, where I'll be departing from in a couple of minutes. It is an Airbus A320 aircraft, which is used on some middle-length destinations here in Europe, and I chose today to try out Eurowings once again, which is kind of a daughter of the German Lufthansa. The rate from Stockholm to Hamburg today was only about 117 euros, which is quite acceptable for the distance you're going. But right now, let's board our flight for today. After boarding was completed and the airplane doors have been shut, we soon started our back push and taxiing out to the runways. I chose to sit in the front of the cabin to have a good view over the engines while we're taking off. As the flight was not nearly booked, I had a whole row to myself, which in these kind of days where the world is upside down is a bonus.
Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck, and welcome aboard of our Eurowings flight to Hamburg. My name is Stefan, your captain. On behalf of the entire crew, welcome aboard. We are ready to go. Flying today will come with my colleague, Mr. Beinand, and please enjoy your stay aboard. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, as turbulence can occur unexpectedly and at any time, you're obligated to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated. This is in the interest of your own safety and also applies when the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. And if you open an overhead compartment, please be careful. Your luggage could have shifted during takeoff and could fall out. Thank you.
As today's flight was just a short-haul flight inside of Europe, there was no service at all here in Eurowings. You could buy your drinks and snacks if you want to, but they are not provided, free of charge for every passenger. The seat layout was in a 3-3 configuration, which is common here for those Airbus A320 aircraft here in Europe. If you would have opted for business class here, then it would just have been the middle seat blocked off. So on a short haul like this, for me there is no sense to book business class at all. As the air traffic was pretty light today, we have been traveling on an altitude of 33,000 feet, and the flight today took us only about 1 hour and 30 minutes in total. The approach to Hamburg International Airport from the north is quite spectacular, as you will pass over some very small islands that are in the Baltic Sea, and as well you see the coastline pretty good.
Meine Damen und Herren, wir heißen Sie herzlich willkommen auf dem Flughafen in Hamburg. Ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome to Hamburg Airport. Please try and sit with the seatbelt fastened until we have informed you about leaving the aircraft. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments. Here today's Eurowings cabin crew says bye to you now. We wish you a nice and a successful stay, safe on board journeys, a comfortable weekend. Take care and stay safe.
So, I have arrived now at Hamburg International Airport, which will be the end for the trip today. The flight over from Stockholm with Eurowings was comfortable, safe and fast, and as well, not a bad value at all. Right now, the only thing is left to do to collect my baggage at the baggage claim, and we'll see how long it takes today. So right now, hello from Hamburg. I'm right now back here at my home country of Germany, but not in my hometown. My hometown is laying way in the south of Germany, in Bavaria. And it will take some time till I get there. Today's flight was just a connection for me, as I will now head to Hamburg Central Station to catch a very special night train that you will find in the next video. My name is Michael, my channel is the Bavarian Globetrotter, which means it's me traveling around the world, and I want you guys with me. Soon after my arrival, my baggage arrived too on the baggage claim here in Hamburg, and so that's the point when I will head my nose towards the suburban train platforms to head into the city. The train station here at Hamburg International Airport is only a couple of minutes walk away from the arrival gates. With the suburban train, it will take about 20 to 25 minutes to go into the city. It depends on the destination you're going to in Hamburg. If you're going to the Hamburg Central Station, like I'm doing, it's about 20 minutes. So everyone, we are right now here at the end of today's video, my way from Stockholm to Hamburg. For me, it was the end of my trip to Scandinavia, which took me about 1 week, starting in Munich, going up to the Arctic Circle and coming back to Hamburg. If you liked this video, just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. There's a lot of footage I will show you in the next couple of weeks and months. Well, right now the only thing to say is have safe travels, stay all healthy. Thank you for watching my video, take care and goodbye.